everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today what we're going to do is discuss how to earn money using social media, and I'm going to list for you the top 3 methods that I think can work for anyone that's trying to earn a full-time income using social media. This is one of the ways I've been able to generate a full-time income. And not only that, what I love about it is that it's low cost to get started. You can do it on pretty much any budget. All you have to do is have the drive and the motivation to get started. And that's why I'm here with you as well, is to give you that inspiration, that push, so that you can go out and actually start earning from home. So for those that don't know, I've been doing this since 2016. And I have been teaching other people how to do the same because I was at a dead-end job. I didn't like where I was working, what I was doing, how I was being treated. And that's for most people that's in the workforce. They are being overworked and underpaid, and nobody wants to live that way. So what we're going to do is start off with number 1, which is Google AdSense. And what I love about Google AdSense is that you can actually start recording yourself with any topic just about, and once you have hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel. And what happens is YouTube will actually start sending you money, direct deposit, every single month for the amount of not just views, but also the ads that's generated from your channel. So what I tell people is to do something and talk about something that you really like, that you're interested in, that you have knowledge about. Record yourself giving that information and upload it to your YouTube channel. It's not going to cost you anything to start a YouTube channel, and this is a way you can actually start generating a full-time income. With Google AdSense and YouTube, the more consistent you are, the more money you can make. It's not a get-rich-quick overnight. It's not going to happen overnight, but you can be very successful if you are willing to put in the work. So Google AdSense is my first and favorite. You can talk about anything, whether it's health and fitness, how to make money, whether it's how to cook. If you are into cooking, maybe you love to do certain recipes, you can put that information out there. Maybe you're a comedian and you want to make people laugh. You can share that with the world and actually start earning. So find what topic works for you and go ahead and start making that money on YouTube. The next that we're going to discuss is products and services. So if you have a website or a business, you can put your information out there for the public. If you have a certain product that you want to sell or a certain service that you can provide, you can have a website built with your information on what it is that you sell or what it is that you're trying to sell people, whether it's a product or service, and people will start to pay you for that. So I don't care what it is that you do. If you have any background about a particular topic, you can turn it into a money-making machine. But you will need a website. You will need to introduce what it is that you do and how you can help resolve someone's problem, whether it's providing them with information about losing weight, making money, giving out certain recipes, whatever it is, you can actually sell it. If you have a website built out, you can list pictures of your products. You can even put this on Pinterest. There's so many things that I buy on a daily basis through Amazon, eBay, Pinterest, going into Etsy. You can sell your products on these platforms. And as an example, this morning I purchased a couple of masks because of the pandemic, everything that's going on in our country. I wanted to have some nice designer ones to wear, and not only that, some that can fit my kids. So I went right onto Etsy, and there were so many people that were selling different types of masks, and I was able to purchase it. So if you are crafty, this is something that you can do and actually start earning a full-time income by listing your information and your pictures of your products on Pinterest, Etsy, and there's other third-party selling platforms where you can list your items and start to get paid. So that's a great way to actually start using social media to earn a full-time income. And then last but not least, one of the things that I love and that I can relate to is affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, what you're doing is selling other people's products, and you're getting paid a percentage of each product that you sell. So there's certain platforms like Amazon, and there's others like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and different platforms where you can get an affiliate link and you can sell other people's products. Now, whether it's $100 for the products or it's thousands of dollars for the products, when people make a purchase, the company will pay you a percentage for each sell that you make. And there's a lot of things out there that people are selling, and they need other people to help them sell their products. So what you can do is you can become an affiliate, and then you will get an affiliate link that will allow you to promote their products and then get paid for your time and effort of promoting that product. So affiliate marketing, if you want more information about that, that is something you can tap into by going to my website, which will be in the description below, or you can go right onto Google and get more information about affiliate marketing. Sorry about that, I had a little scratch. And also digital products. Affiliate marketing is based off of a lot of digital products, but not only that, products that people actually buy from Amazon. As an example, somebody can be selling on their website maybe a book, okay? They have a link for that book in their description that goes to Amazon. And when a person makes a purchase from that link, Amazon pays them a percentage. So that's basically how it works. And these are just to name a few of the ways that you can make money using social media. But these are some of my top picks because it's easy to get started. There's not a huge overhead to start doing this, okay? You don't have to have a lot of money. But if you have the time and the patience, okay, and you're consistent, you can start building a platform and start building an audience really quick wrapped around any of these three methods that I talked about today and actually start getting paid. So if you are looking to make additional money, you want to leave your job, I am a living witness. I'm a witness that it can happen. Because years ago, I was looking for a way out and I wanted to work from home because I was looking for time freedom. Time freedom is one of those things that can't get it at no job, you know, especially if you have a job that requires you to do a lot of work, spend a lot of time. Sometimes you're working overtime. It's hard to get that time back. And sometimes it's even harder to make additional money when you have a full-time job because you don't want to do anything after that full-time job but go home, make dinner, and go to bed. I started looking up different opportunities and different ways to earn from home so I did not have to rely on my job. I was tired of being just over broke. And that's my story, and I'm going to give that information at a later date. I'm going to be bringing you tons of information of how I started business, the mindset, the skill set you need to have, different opportunities that's out there for you, how to execute in order to be successful. That's what I'm here to do because someone did the same thing for me. And not only that, I've learned a lot over the years that I'm willing to give out to other people so that people can have the success that they're looking for to build their business. So I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and I'll be back with you another day to give you more information. Thanks so much. Stay blessed and I'll speak to you again later. Bye-bye.